Hi, everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is black sesame steamed buns, which are the most common variety in Guangdong bun shops. Traditional Chinese medicine believes that black sesame seeds are mild in nature and sweet in taste, and can nourish the liver and kidneys. They are an ideal food to enhance physical fitness and supplement nutrition. Traditionally, black sesame seeds have been used by the Chinese to treat and prevent gray hair loss. Let's get started. Make a dough first. Prepare 400 grams of flour, 200 milliliters of water and 3 grams of yeast. Add the yeast to the flour. Then slowly add the water, stirring while adding until the water is used up. Knead into a dough with your hands. Cover it with plastic wrap and let it rest for an hour. Next, prepare the fillings: 150 grams of cooked black sesame seeds, 60 grams of lard, 50 grams of sugar, 100 grams of cooked peeled peanuts. In a food processor, chop the peanuts in batches. Then chop the black sesame. Transfer to a large bowl. Add sugar and lard, mix them evenly with your hands. The addition of lard can make the filling more moist. When the dough has risen, divide it into 2 parts. Take one part and make it into a long strip. Divide it evenly into 8 portions. Sprinkle some flour. Flatten them. Take a disc and roll it into a wrapper with a rolling pin, just like this. Do the same for the rest discs. Take one wrapper, put some fillings on it, pinch the edges with your hands, and rotate while pinching until the edges are all pinched together. A black sesame bun is ready. Do the same with the remaining wrappers. Arrange the buns in a steamer. Cover with the lid, let stand for 10 minutes, then turn on the heat, steam for 20 minutes after the water boils. Minutes later, turn off the heat. The delicious and nutritious black sesame steamed buns are ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.